Children, in the 3.2 exercise, the first problem, I told you we have to arrange in the ascending order. If you see which is the smallest, 5 is the smallest. After 5, 6 is not there, 7 is not there, 8 is not there, 9 is there. Right? 5, 9. I have written here, you can observe 5, 9. After that, 10 is there. Observe, see, yeah, 10 is there. After 10, no 11, only 12 is there. 12 how many number of times? Only once. So 10, 12. After that 13, no 13, no 14, 15, yeah 15 is there. Only once 15 is there. So I have written 15. Next 16, yes 16 is also once occurred. So 16 done. Then 17, any 17 is there? No 17, no 18. Yes, 19, yeah, once 19 is there, so I have written here 19. Then 20, yes, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 20 occurred, so I have written 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 20 I have written. Then after 20, 21 is there? No. 22? No. 23? Yes. Here 23 occurred only once, so I have written here once. Then 24, see the pen I am pointing, 24 is there only once, so I have written here on the paper only once. Then 25, yes 25 twice is there, so I have written here 25 down. If you have, please write in only one line. Now this is the given data we have arranged in ascending order. We have to find out its mode and median. Mode is what, children? Mode is the observation which occurred most oftenly, or more which data, which observation repeated more number of times, that is the mode here. If you observe the given set of observations, which data is repeated more number of times? If we see 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, these are all occurred only once. 20 occurred 4 times, 23 once, 24 once, 25 2 times. Which is repeated more times? 20. So mode of this given set of observation is 20. What about median? Median is equal to, here how many number of observations they told, children? If you observe in the problem only they have given 15 students, means number of observations are how many? 15. So n by 2. N by 2. N is how much? Number of observations 15. 15 by 2 is how much? 7.5. So here 7 we have to consider. 7. Okay, this 7. So here count, see from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So up to this. Then from right side to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So up to this. What's here? In between these two, what left? This 20. It is the middle observation. So middle observation is what? 20. Therefore median equal to 20. Median equal to 20. Whether both are same mode and median? Yes. In this question, it doesn't happen in all the problems. In this question, mode and median both are same. Yes. So this what I have written here, n by 2 and all, this you write in the margin. Don't write in the main place. Okay, this is for your reference. There is one formula for finding the median for the given set of observations. Maybe even number of observations or odd number of observations. One is easy. For odd number of observations it is easy. For even you may get confused. That's why this method I am explaining you. Okay, children. If you want to use that formula for odd observations, you can do that also. Median is equal to, for odd, this is for odd observations, when n is odd. Here n is equal to 15, odd, yes, right. Therefore now n is number of observations, so n plus 1 by 2. This will give us the position of the observation, which is median. Okay, n plus 1 by 2, n is what? 15. So 15 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 16 divided by 2, divided by 2. What will get here? 8. So it is 8th position. Median is what? 8th observation. 8th observation is the median. What is 8th observation? Let's count this. See, if you observe the data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exactly, na? This is the 8th position of the observation, which is median of this data. So first method is also correct according to formula, if you see. So if you want to find out by using the formula, you can find out. Otherwise, you can follow this first method. Okay. So same number of data you have to count. Observations you have to count from left to right as well as right to left. Underline them. In between, you will get only one. That is the median. That median is nothing but middle value, middle observation. Okay, this is the way. Now, let's see the second question. Second question, the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. They have given the runs scored by one cricket match by 11 players. So 11 observations are there. 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15. So find the mean, mode and the median of this data. Are the three same? They are asking to find out the mean, then find out the mode and median. Then they are asking whether mean, mode and median, whether all the answers are same. As we found mode and median same in the one, like that, whether all the three are same in this. Let's see. First work is what? First work is to arrange the given numbers, given observations in ascending order. Okay. So, if I arrange in the ascending order, question number 2. Here, what is the smallest you can observe? 6 is here, then yes, 6 occurred. See, I am writing here. You can observe both. 6 once occurred. Then, if you observe, 8 occurred once. So, I am writing 8. Then after that, what occurred? 8. 9 is not there. 10 is there. 10 how many times? 1 and 2 times. So, I am writing here 10 2 times. After that, if you observe, after 10, what is there? 11 is there? No. 12 is there? No. 13 is there? No. 14? No. 15? Yes. 15. 1, 2, 3. 15 occurred 3 times. So, I am writing here 15 3 times. So, after 15, 16 is there. Observe here, second one. 16 is there. No. 16. 17 is there. No. 18 is there. No. 19. No. 20. No. After that, in 20s, no one number is there. In 30s, no one number is there. In 40s also, no one number. In 50s, yes, only 150 is there. So, write 50. So, after 50, any other number? No 60s, no 70s, 80s, only 1. So, write here 80. I am showing here, see, 80. So, after 80, 90 is there? No. 100? Yes. After 100, directly 120. So, after 100, directly 120. So, we have arranged the given data in ascending order. We have to find out its mean, mode and median. First, let's find out the mode. It is easy to find out, right? Which data occurred more number of times? 10 2 times, 15 3 times. So, 15. 15 is the mode because it repeated 3 times. Yes, most frequently occurred data is 15. Then median. Median equal to, median is what? See here how many are there? 11 are there. So n plus 1 by 2. I am using formula here. N plus 1 by 2. N is how much? 11 observations plus 1 divided by 2. What will get? 12 divided by 2. That is sixth observation. Sixth observation is the mode they are. Median, sixth observation. So this is the one method. Another method, what I told you? I told you n, if it is odd, divided by 2. 11 by 2 is what? 5.5. So 5 we have to leave from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up to this 5 will happen. From right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave the 5. What left in between? This number. This observation is in between. This is the median. See, sixth observation is it? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th. This is sixth observation, which is median of this given set of data, which is equal to 15. Mode and median are same now. What about mean? Mean is what, children? All of you know? Sum of observation. Sum of observations divided by number of observations. Number of observations are how many? Number of observations are 11. So above in the numerator you have to add all the numbers. 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 50 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120. Add and divide by 11 you do. What you will get? You see that mean and mode and median, whether all are same. In this case, no. Mode and mean